Here we have another car, Mitsubishi Pajero, and it's a pearl white color. And this car have too many rust in different areas of the car. All the doors have the rust. You can see all the doors have the rust. This side, the sliding door have the rust. So we are removing the rust now. You can see inside this one also, and the roof also have the rust. This is the roof area. We are removing the rust first, then we are going to paint the full car. So estimated time required for this type of work is 7 to 8 days. So if you are facing a rust proofing or have required the rust proofing, you are most welcome to visit us and we will do the best job. This area you can see if it is visible in the camera. Too much rust in all areas of the car.